test, and I'm just kind of curious. I'm just gonna do some shots with buckshot. This is it's from ATAR, which I haven't done my research into this. These looks just like the TriStar Raptor. I'm just wondering if they just didn't change names. I mean, it comes from Turkey, and it's ATA Arms, and it looks exactly like the TriStar Raptor before. I had one, sold it, and I wish I wouldn't, and then I came across these, and I was like, oh, that's the same thing. So, just gonna do a simple function test, and see how the buckshot's patterned downrange. Now, again, this is low brass buckshot. It's Spartan. Nothing special to it. Not too bad. Working like it should. Let's go. Just gonna do some low bird shot real quick again to follow up. 3 shots and just see how it functions. Go. Let's see. It's just nothing special. Just function test. And a failure to eject. Now that was the TriStar I had never did that. You know, people would sit there and complain and say that was one of the issues. One of the issues with it. So let's try it one more time. I'm gonna do it a little bit slower. On these, I'm not gonna pull it. The trigger is fast. Not gonna pull it as fast. Oh, got a misfeed. Misfeeding again. It ejected the last one on that one. I'm gonna give it a good cleaning. Like I said, brand new. I mean, that's what before, when I guess everybody was sitting there complaining that's what was going on, and I was like, I never had that issue with mine. I guess that's what they were talking about. So we'll try cleaning it up, actually drying it out. Well, let's try something different. See if we can get this is buckshot again. It's low brass buckshot. See if there's any difference in it. See if there's any difference. Yeah, we're doing good. Doing good. Had a little bit of a hanger. A little bit, but brass is buckshot was working just fine. That's all low brass. So it's interesting. That's the buckshot brass, and that's a hair bit more, not much, but that's the difference. And the buckshot worked fine. Birdshot was, I mean, hell, I don't really care about birdshot anyways. I mean, birdshot don't have to, I'm not using it to hunt. Birdshot, you know, it's not going to be it's not going to be anything like that with it. So far, birdshot's a no-go. Low brass birdshot, that is. Low brass birdshot's a no-go, is what it's looking like. But low brass buckshot works just fine. It'll still cycle out. So keep trying it, see how it goes through the years. I remember people would used to say it has to have a break-in period and stuff like that. And I'm like, it shouldn't, but I mean, honestly, it shouldn't. But I guess we'll just see how it does over time. But that was a function test. So birdshot, low brass is pretty much no go. Everything else, buckshot on, it's good to go. So there you go. Thanks for watching.